Alright, we are.
We are live. Okay, now I'm pause it down.
Yeah.
Donovan.
Don.
My audio's included. Do I have to say shit? I don't want to?
Well,
Yeah, unpause the game, god damn it.
yeah, that's all we're asking you to do. Yeah.
Why did Hoff
No, I
have to go
had
to
it
the
set
other
to
end of
start.
the freaking
I
world?
forget the
I
game
just hope your
pauses
man's still
itself
alive.
right before it loads
How long
in
since
for
we last had
some
radio
odd
contact
dumb
with Anvil
reason.
Gate?
Just over a year.
If he's dead, Bernie would hang on to the disc.
Turn him on.
I'm sorry, I forgot that it does
That's
that.
Oh wow.
There's a barge
Oh wow.
over there.
Now I'm down.
Let's see where it lands.
Talk about insult to injury.
What?
And why do I have to be the big black football player?
Shut up and like
the
it.
awesome Spanish. I wanted to be the awesome Spanish guy.
Up
Okay, in
yours.
defense, Hotshot, you don't have the rights to be Tom, honestly, Hotshot. I mean, me and Locust have been doing the whole Gears thing since the first one came out and I had live event. So fuck off. You don't deserve that right, Hotshot. I've been friends with Locust longer.
Oh shit.
Me and him have always been Marcus and Dom.
Move, move, move. Shut up and move.
Take cover!
I am running. I'm right behind you, actually.
After the next salvo, run for
Okay.
it. All right? Move!
Come on, Baird, move your white ass.
Okay, now!
Move, 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 move.
Incoming!
Shit, shit.
Oh shit, I almost did not make that.
Yeah, I know. Tell me about it.
Go!
Move, bitches, move.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, I think I'm gonna puke. I think I'm gonna
Fine.
puke.
Looks like that barge is leaving.
That hurt, that hurt.
Oh, ooh. Yay, I don't have this one. There we go.
Oh, sweet. That's the
The
that's the
locust.
pick.
I love how it says a locust hammer, although that clearly looks like a pickaxe.
Yeah.
Whatever game.
That's probably what they use as a...
Looks like we need to scale that tower.
You read my mind. Baird, you sure you can control that overgrown bladder when we grab it?
Yeah, Tinkle Toes, because you know bladder control ain't your strong suit.
Once. It happened once, okay? Anyway, I grabbed the nav system from that wrecked barge. One direct course to Anvil Gate, programmed and ready. Nice job.
It happened once.
Oh
Okay,
god.
let's find a way to that tower.
You have to turn it on.
Twinkle toes.
There you go.
Oh god.
Now, go into Bluetooth and pair it, honey.
And cue the reinforcements.
Now
They're
that
on
was...
with a shot off. Oh!
Get
Now
up.
that was... Oh, ow, shit.
Tickers!
I'm coming.
Now that
I'm
was
gonna get
a
him
great
on
fourth
top of the guy
quarter.
throwing a grenade.
Careful, they got tickers over there.
Stickers!
Yeah.
I'm gonna blow up. Oop, I'm dead.
Yep. Knew that was coming. I wanted to shoot him, but I just couldn't. Shit. Ow!
Here comes some more!
And I have a... a hammer, which isn't a bad gun, but...
Dragoon.
There we
Dragoon
go.
dead too? Oh, Dragoon's up there, okay.
Okay. Awesome. He's
Damn,
just
you're
eating.
back.
I'm back.
Hey, fucker.
I love how like just popped up on my screen and you shredded him. Like a piece of him just popped in my zone. I was like, oh no.
Sweet.
How do you think I feel? I got some of that shit in my eye.
Yeah, you know how I feel sometimes when I get something in my bad eye. Ah, shit. There we go.
Well, Tim, you're kind of blocking the fire lane. Oh. Like, the
Looks like
entire
we're gonna
fire
have to go
lane.
back into the trenches. Unless anyone prefers a suicide run across open ground.
I vote we sneak around and avoid getting shot in the ass for a change.
Hell yeah, I second that.
Okay, come on up.
Carried unanimously.
Carried unanimously. Whenever anybody's ready.
No one wants a suicide run above the ground. The ground way is like no one.
Unless your name is Brian Callahan.
Yeah.
Oh, well, but Brian's retarded. Let's just
Hey,
automatically
big shot.
assume Brian's retarded.
Hey, Barry, look, that one's cute.
Yeah, I can do tricks too, like blowing up
Like
in your
blowing up
face.
in your face. Can I shoot it? Can I shoot it?
You can also let him out if you want to.
Oh, I'm shooting.
Oh, we faced worse odds. Oh shit! Move!
I got him.
Oh shit!
Ow! I'm coming.
Where is he? Where's that son of a bitch?
I'm lighting him on fire.
Oh fuck!
He's on fire.
Oh, smoke grenade! What the fuck?
Lethal, let me be invade, please.
He's dead. He's dead. He's dead.
Burn, bitch, burn.
I got this one. Nope. He's mine. Damn it. Come here. Here. Ugh, got some in my eye.
Ooh,
Again.
Morgan pistol, mine.
Oh shit! Damn it!
What?
Sorry.
Come on.
Dude, I got it. Hang on.
Hey, what happened to my bull talk? Son of a bitch. Hey,
I thought. There you go. I thought you had one. That's the only reason why. But then again, I forget to change his weapons, which is fucking annoying.
So this is how they do it. It's a ticker assembly line.
And now it's a free supply of ordnance. Thank you, Grubs. Help yourselves. Might as well use them.
ooh, Morgan pistol.
Oh, wow.
I'll take you.
Here comes some more.
Okay, I need some ammo, and I need a lancer is what I need. Don't forget to use the tickers.
Oh, I have been. I had been.
Oh no, just a friendly reminder.
It's go time, baby.
Good shot.
Can I? Hey, who wants
There's
to play
still
Pump the
wild
Ticker?
tickers running around, guys.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Ah, shit. Okay, grab him.
Punch.
I got him. I kind of kicked the locust out of the way and knocked him down.
Okay.
Hey, bitch! Oh, come on! You leave the tickers!
Yep. They shoot the tickers too.
Also, let them all burn, damn it! Let them burn!
Nice.
Damn it!
Wow. Savage. Oh, okay.
Oh, God!
One guy fucked us all up. Damn.
Where did Dragoon go? Who was near me? Who was down near me?
All three of us were
Me?
gone. Yeah,
I did not see him.
Yeah, Dragoon was at a distance.
I was behind all
And now
three
it's
of
a
you,
free supply
trying to
of
take them all
ordnance.
out from a
Thank you,
distance.
Yeah.
You know, the smart thing to do.
Might as well use them.
Well, no, we were all there.
Right, there's a
We
loadout
thought we had
pistol right
swept
here,
the
Don,
place.
right where I'm at.
Just that one savage, what's his name, Grenadier just came in and rushed.
That's for you, Don.
I was honestly... Oh,
Mine now.
I was mostly holding on. I was focusing on the enemies down there with the fire grenades I had, so I didn't even know someone had came up to attack us.
That
Neither
happens.
did I, and I noticed. I didn't even notice him actually. So to say, I noticed him too late. How the fuck can I notice him when I can't see the damn motherfucker?
Shit. Careful, Ticker. Ah! Yep, I saw him. I couldn't take a shot at him. Oh, fuck. Take him. There you go. Careful, because there's a ramp right behind you. Right behind you.
I was trying to set a fire grenade down there to stop them, but...
I'm coming.
Thanks. Shit.
Oh, God.
Burn,
It's
you
happening
bitch!
again. Thank you. I was about to say it's happening again.
Got me.
Oh shit. I'm coming. Hot shots inbound.
I gotta do
Fuck,
the
oh
same
shit.
thing this
He's
time.
coming in again.
Oh!
Yeah, they just keep rushing.
I can't get you. Okay.
Oh.
Hotshot, you gotta, no! Hotshot's gotta, like, hold out. Hotshot, get back there. Never mind.
Okay.
Get up.
No way you're doing this by yourself.
Damn it. Well,
Yeah.
will my weapons be there this time? Will our weapons still be there?
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, they still are here. Ooh,
Okay,
sending
good, because
grenades,
dude, I
but-
want to get my
Shit,
Gorgon
I
back.
need-
I was actually...
Oh, actually, I don't see your Gorgon down, but I need the incendiary grenades to clear this place out.
Damn it.
Shit.
Oh, my it only allows the weapon you have out to respawn, so all I get back is my retro. Damn it!
Go find another Gorgon. Just help us over here.
Yeah, I
please.
know, there's a bolt hawk over here.
Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna go steal the bolt
What
hawk I
happened?
had, so I'm just gonna take... Or someone took the bolt hawk. Oh, damn you.
Enemy reinforcement!
I've only got the full top that I had.
Ah! Oh, that's kind of funny.
Incoming.
Nice job, Sag.
Wait, I wanted a bolt hawk to replace my Gorgon.
There's a bullet.
I
there's
just
another-
grabbed a
there's
shotgun,
another bullet
dude.
tuck right here.
Well, someone else
That
took the
was
bolt
just-
hawk, and I was about to pick it up, and I was like, yeah, 7 bullets. Damn it.
Yeah,
Who
dude, you'll find
wants to
more.
go back a little bit just to get back some ammo? Because there should be some ammo boxes back there.
Yeah, we'll be alright.
Fuck it, yeah.
There'll probably be some in here too.
Even
Hello,
laugh
bitch.
like a Mad Max villain.
I know, right?
Corpse, sir!
Shit.
Hey, look out! There's another corpse, sir!
Shoot him in the ass. Nice. I hate having this hammer burst though. It's a great weapon, but just.
Hammerburst is not a bad gun. You just,
Oh no, it's not bad.
You
It's not
guys
bad.
aren't usually. You guys aren't. Most of you guys just don't like precision like rifles.
Well, no, because I love the DMR and Halo Reach. It's just a matter of it's just the what is it? Oh, shit. Requires more accuracy than I'd like, and it doesn't really have the power of the Lancer. The Lancer's a true assault rifle, whereas the Hammer Burst is more
Lancer's
like
a-
you said, whereas the Hammer Burst is more of a precision rifle. But I do like that it fires as fast as you pull the trigger. There we go.
That's why I like it, dude. I'm good at those type of weapons where
Fuck
you
you,
pull the
stupid
trigger and
spider.
it just kind of lights you.
Oh shit, not another one.
That's why I love it.
Again.
End with this shit. Shit.
That's what I love about the hammer burst, because I'm good at doing weapons that
Yeah, but-
require. That's why I love the dual action revolver and like Red Dead Redemption.
If I go on
Second
this-
thing, it's fire as fast as you can fire.
If I move too far
Great.
back, it's gonna go in the wire and it's gonna get stuck in the wheel.
Ow! Shit, shit.
You won't me this time.
Yep. Just keep shooting them. Shit. God damn.
Ah!
We ain't gonna stop this man.
There we fucking go. God damn.
More
Oh,
guns
God.
coming through the gate!
Butcher!
Heads up, we're being fired.
More grenade to stop him.
Nice.
Boom, bitch. That was me.
Kinda stole my kill, but I don't care.
Ow.
Like I was there to back you up.
Excuse me.
Ooh, frags.
8 corpses. It's all the legs.
Frags for frag.
Oh, come on, I need some ammo too, damn
We're
it.
hardwired to react
Sorry.
to things
I
that
didn't
scuttle.
take anything, goddammit.
Okay, I'll shut up now.
Thank God I needed some ammo, dude. I was almost out of ammo from both my retro, my pistol, everything from that battle.
Alright, I need some grenades. I only have one left.
Oh wow, you're using grenades now?
Let's find out where that ladder goes.
You're funny. Ooh, shotgun ammo.
Yeah.
Hey, Don,
Oh, great.
do eggs freak you out too?
Oh, come on. Baby corpses.
That's where corpses come from.
Yep.
When
When
a
a
mommy
mommy
corpse or a daddy corpse or
daddy
love each
corpse
other
love each
very
other
much.
very
Yeah, please don't
much.
do that,
Stay
Tim.
back, man. He would think the first thing he sees is his mother.
Why don't you two
I'm
guys
gonna go
shut
shoot
the
it.
fuck up
Where is
before
it?
we wake its mother?
No, we can't.
Oh, we can.
Well, there goes
No.
that idea.
Damn it, we could have escaped this part without waking the mom.
I actually don't think you
No, we
can.
could. You can't.
Ah, shit, we
Yeah.
woke Mom.
Okay, Dragoon's got a boom shot. Good.
And she woke the family. Those damn eggs are hatching.
Shit. Look.
Hey, who needs ammo?
I do, but I have a hammer, so I'm always gonna need ammo.
Look out! More eggs are hatching. They're hatching over there.
Shit. Remember you? Yeah, I was about to say. Remember you can chainsaw.
Oh,
too.
you can chainsaw these things?
Yep.
Yeah.
If it doesn't have armor on it, you can chainsaw. You can even chainsaw it when it's screaming too. It does do good amount of damage.
Come at me, bitch.
There we go. Fuck. There we go. Oh shit. I'm grabbing ammo because this is gonna be a quick fight.
Here's Mom.
Oh, and it's a full size.
Go for the eye.
Yep. Shoot in the eyes, like they say. Oh, wait a minute. Lancer? Oh, no, retro. Never mind. Grabbing ammo. Ow. There we go. Wow, you guys got overwhelmed over here.
Damn it. Okay, I'm trying to get Dragoon, but I can't get him.
Careful, full medium size.
Oh, big ones.
Yep. Ah, fuck.
Oh, you can drill with medium-sized ones. Damn.
Yeah.
If they don't have armor.
Yeah, I said that earlier. Just didn't believe me, huh? Crap, it wants my dick. There we go.
It has to be from the front, though. That's the sad thing.
Shit.
Ow. Ow.
There we go. There we go.
How many eyes, guys?
I'm not seeing any right now.
No, I'm saying how many eyes have we taken down?
Looks like them all, but I don't know. Oh, shit. Fuck. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Don, you're the only one up.
Oh, no. Okay, running now. Running now.
Shit. Yep.
Well, they all
I'm
want
coming,
me for
Dragoon.
some reason.
No, not all of them. There we go. Wow, this one actually got under. Shit.
Ow!
Don't worry, I got you.
Okay, well, let me chainsaw it.
Yep.
Okay, question mark.
There we go. Thank you, actually reloaded. Yeah, sure. Hey, hold your fire, hold your fire. Hold your fire till you see the orange of her eyes. Shit. Whoa, whoa. Shit, I can't move.
How you like us now, bitch?
You're really thinning out the herd. We got more eggs, right? Shit, man, these eggs just keep on cracking, seriously.
I'm coming. I'm coming, Dragoon.
shit.
Just give me a second. Just give me
Here,
a second.
I'll give you.
I got
I'll
it.
support too.
Big ones.
Shit. Yeah, I noticed. Crap. I gotta take most of this ammo. I'm sorry, but I hammer burst.
I'll play Toro with this one if you guys just want to let me kill it. I got it.
Shit. Careful, another one's coming towards you guys.
Ow, what the fuck?
Damn.
What the hell?
Someone explain to me how I got killed. Like, there was no corpse in here?
No, there was one near you, dude. You literally got it tunneled under and then popped up with the claw. Shit. Nicked it. Just got it. There we go. Got it. Oh shit. Oh shit.
She's tearing the place apart.
Run!
Look out! The ceiling's collapsing! I don't care where the
Oh fuck! Don't leave me behind. No shit. Somehow I got back up and ran.
Let's hope that barge is still around.
I love how it shows me having a Lancer when I have a hammer burst.
Whoa, yeah! We got plenty of gas bags now. Choose any model you like.
Oh, great.
Who invited her?
Oh, fuck.
Yep.
Why?
Why, lady, are you flying a tick?
Looks like more like a moth.
It's him. Alert the fleet. I want every outpost between here and Azura at full readiness. And make sure we don't lose him again.
What? I know her dad
Damn
is
it,
the
she's
one.
still alive?
His,
How the hell did she survive the flood?
So, she's still running the show.
Holy shit! Look at the size of that bug.
I got your number, bitch.
Ah, crap. These
oh
things.
yeah, the tiny ones with miniguns on them. How
Yep.
can I forget about those?
Top spot. Yeah, everybody wants to be the king.
I don't even care anymore. I know I'm not gonna ever get top spot in this bullshit.
Just
Okay.
light them up and get moving before we lose the barges. That's why we're here.
Remember when they die, they crash. So that does damage to everybody.
I know. I had forgotten that.
Okay.
Nice.
Ow!
Yep.
Ooh, I
Sure
am
you didn't
so
forget that,
sorry,
Don?
Don.
I didn't forget. Dragoon
know.
shot it down and it landed
Mine now.
on me. So.
I know.
No,
Don.
I was the one who shot it down. Hotshot did that.
Okay, that's right. Well, no, it was Dragoon because he was Baird. He's Baird. Baird was next to me, not Cole.
Shit. Yeah, man. There you go.
Hola! Boom!
There you go. Fucked it. Fucking everybody up. Shit, jam. Oh god, more of these fucking things.
Hola! Ow! Oh, I got torqued. How'd you Dylan? Logan, what are you doing?
I'm
go forward.
trying to
I got
dealing
you.
with the shrieks.
He's lost the creeps, he's lost the shrieks, and he's lost the
Let's
bleeps.
just clear them out
Pretty
and get
much.
to the tower.
Nice job, Dragoon. Fuck. It's not all he's lost. Not sure. Careful! That was perfectly timed too. I saw it. I just didn't think. I thought I could get out of the way. I'll help over here, guys.
Digger!
Shot another one.
Oh, what the?
Keep crawling, man. Trying to take that thing out.
I'm trying to make sure they get killed first. Oh.
How do I screw this? Oh shit! Oh damn!
Come on, Dad!
somebody get John up?
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
Enemy reinforcement!
Crap.
Die,
Careful above you, Don.
I'll deal with them. Come here, punk.
Go left.
Come here. Ow! Ow!
Yeah, that's the thing that sucks. They suicide after they. There you go. Okay, I'm out of ammo, so I desperately need an ammo box.
Evan, I'm about to grab this torque bow. Come here for a second.
What?
You're gonna get the shotgun.
Oh, sweet.
So, come on. No, I need you to come here, dude.
Oh.
Over here.
Oh, you're dragging it.
Over here.
Okay, grab
Okay,
it.
ready?
Yep. Awesome.
The cold train just takes what he wants.
Alright, come on, let's keep moving. Okay.
I'll play a
Someone
game
help me
of,
with this.
as Del Walker calls it, paper, paper, paper.
I'm still amazed that holds for as long as it does.
Marcus, it figures the Queen would be behind all of this.
Yeah. It's her we're gonna have to deal
Who needs ammo?
with. One way or another.
I desperately need some, so I'm taking as much of the ammo as I can. I got 119 bullets.
Because I've got an ammo box.
Well, there's a shit. There was a shit ton of ammo boxes around. If you didn't get ammo, that's your fault.
Hey, there's the landing
No,
tower.
no, I'm just making sure you have
I know,
Let's
dude.
get
I'm
up.
ammo,
joking.
dude.
I know, I'm just joking.
Oh, dude, I didn't need any ammo, dude. I already had a full mag. I had full mag on everything.
Okay, sound off. Everybody doing good? Dragoon, you doing good?
Yep.
God, motherfucker. Oh, okay.
You're just quiet, so I'm just making sure.
Last chance to grab that thing and get the fuck out of here.
It's gotta come in close. Everyone up for boarding it?
Oh yeah, it's party time, baby.
Yo ho ho, bitch.
And a bottle of rum. Let's do this. Got me all these yo-ho.
What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? Oh, wrong time. Wrong time. Can't do that yet.
Not till we're aboard. Oh, on Insane, it's ridiculous. Because I did this, I literally got to the end of the game on Insane by myself. I know. Oh, wow.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, I'm curious to know why you all were over there.
I was nowhere near that explosion. Nowhere near that explosion.
I was nowhere near it. That's why I survived. Like, I wasn't really... Oh, God. Alright. Just keep moving to avoid the rockets. That's all I can tell you. And then stay the hell away when they drop down, because that's where they usually shoot. Oof.
Are you stopping? Oh! I got you, but
Oh, what the?
Help us.
Yep. Down.
Need a hand.
Yeah.
Nice.
Aww.
Come on.
Get the fuck out of the way, please.
Yep.
Damn it! I can't get close enough to grab it.
Shit. Damn. More guards. There you go. Oh, shit, knew that was coming.
Don. Thank you.
Okay, please land, please land. Oh, fuck.
I'm coming.
Thank you.
Get up.
Okay, I think it's land. Oh, no, never mind. Fucking guards. Oh, shit. Grab him.
I exploded them.
Oh, shit.
Ow.
Get back in the game!
When he says that, he sounds like Dom a little bit. That's why it always throws me off. Okay. Okay, shit. Shit. Okay. I got you, Tim.
Thanks, Evan. Whoa.
Yep.
Hello.
God damn, that thing's gotta come down. Yes. Is it? Yes, it is.
Alright, Sag. Take these jackasses off our boat.
Oh, fuck. Oh.
Get up here.
Oh, shit.
Somebody.
Yeah, there. Oh,
Damn.
right.
Oh. I'm trying to...
Yeah.
Don, stop complaining.
Yeah, we all kind of got a little anxious once that happened. Don't worry, we got this.
Guards!
I was literally trying to do it, but someone...
No, I'll fully admit, I got way too over anxious because I underestimated how many of them were up there. Okay. Just keep an eye out on the rockets. Mind your surroundings, watch your ammo, and...
Please, for the love of God, you see a big red button? Don't touch it.
Yeah.
I swear to God, I'll kill you myself.
Okay, 2 incoming. Oh, fuck. Damn it.
I got you. I'm coming.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Drago, get Don. Shit.
We'll provide cover fire.
Yep, got one.
Nope.
Hope against the best, bleed like the rest. Dropping off 2 more.
Perfect reload.
Oh, fuck. Ah! I got him. On your feet.
Thanks, Evan.
Yep, anytime. Now keep stay
It was
spread out.
only one saltine, Evan. It was only one saltine, Evan.
Damn it!
Lancer,
Take it close enough to
definitely
grab it.
taking that. Like the hammer burst, but damn. Remember?
You lucky punk.
I know Don was
really
lucky.
using cover. Give me up, please.
Oh, fuck. Oh, damn. Dragoon.
Dragoon.
Little help here!
Damn.
Wow.
What happened with you, Tim?
I went to grab Don.
I know. It's
Yeah,
just,
no,
how'd you go
Tim-
down? No, I'm wondering how'd you go down? That's what I'm wondering.
Collateral explosion.
Let me guess, rocket?
Mm-hmm.
I said, like, Tim went down too, that's why I was Dragoon. Because all 3 of us got down.
I was
by
gonna
one
try to
rocket.
kill the, you guys killing us before going to rescue you.
No,
but-
I know. The only reason I called for you is because I was literally right behind you. So,
Oh, I didn't see you at all.
okay. Yeah, like, literally just as you turned around, when you turned back around to see where the guy was and you got shot, you fell right on it. Okay, I think it's dropping off 2 more. Okay. Yep. Fucking clockwork.
Please, guard, coming down!
There we go.
Nice!
Ooh. Ugh. Going down. Thanks, Dragoon. Oh, damn it. Oh, wow,
Really,
Dragoon,
game?
Dragoon. Well, stay in cover, kill all of them. Just be careful of the rockets. Oh, damn it. I'm amazed
Okay, I'm
that...
still trying to figure out.
I'm
Let's see,
amazed
so
that...
that's the second time it happened. We gotta do 2v2s, because seriously, all
We
three of
can't
us got down in one rocket again.
Well, we're trying to... Well, that's why I say spread out. Because if someone goes down, it works for a little bit. It's just we were all in the same direct area. These things are stronger than boom shot rockets, and the splash damage in gears has always been ridiculous anyway. So that's why I'm saying just stay spread out. Okay. Shit. Keep moving. Okay, there you go. You want to try to, like, always keep the ship on the other side of you.
Please, God, coming down!
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm down. Tim, can you grab me?
Use a
Here.
hand.
Right cover
go grab.
fire. Got him.
Got it.
There you go. Okay. Let's hope the rest of the thing goes as smooth as that does. Shit. And it's always tough to know when to aim. Yeah, try and doing this on insane by yourself. Oh god, you'll want to tear your fucking hair out.
I got him.
There you go. Okay, good.
Damn it! Can't get close enough to grab it.
Okay. Doing good, doing good.
I'll basically be messenger boy, but instead I'll be the medic.
Pretty much, yeah. There we go. Oof, that one actually damaged me. Shit.
Oh!
Got you, Don. Me and you together, right? Dropping off 2 more.
Oi!
I got
You
him.
get one.
I was gonna say I got. Never mind. No, the reason I didn't want us both to go in the middle, dude, because if they had fired a rocket, we would have flambéed.
No, I know,
the
there's
fire.
a small cooldown when that happens. Shit. Yep, knew that was coming. Okay, I'm down. Okay, whoa, careful.
Okay, explain to me how, like, I only get 60 points out of killing that second. That Dragoon killed the second Theron, but I fucking pumped him full of bullets.
No idea.
I like that.
Oh shit.
I
Everybody
mean,
good?
I like why I don't like any game of arcade mode, honestly, because, like, it always awards the person who kills it the most points, even if the one
Actually,
who
no,
kills
it
it's a
doesn't.
fatal
It
shot.
doesn't. It allots by damage. Gears of War 3 was very adamant about that. That's why I'm not getting very much points for this right now, because I'm just getting assists.
Well, I know, but it's like, I did half the, I pumped like 30 bullets into the guy, and like someone
But it
just
couldn't have
snipe
meant
kills
that
him,
it
and I'm like, what
did-
the fuck?
You probably didn't
it's
do
coming
as much
down,
damage as
guys.
you thought. Yep, awesome. Okay. Anybody got has grenades? Be a good time to use them now. Shit. There we
You
go.
mean these things?
Yep. Wow, I'm surprised you know what they are, Tim. I thought you didn't like them.
I don't.
Come on. Up and at 'em. There we go.
Flips corpse
This is
off.
the last time I fly with a budget airline. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you look over the side, you might see Anvil Gate, the lovely historic city of Anvil. It is lovely, right?
Even Sam says it's the ass end of the world, and it's her hometown.
Makes me wonder what those things are, to be honest.
Giant floating bladders.
So it's got to be Mirror that's holding your dad, Marcus.
And now she knows I'm coming for him.
God, what?
Okay,
You sure this
crap.
thing's still on course?
Look,
Oh,
I
cool. I
programmed
got a
the
boom
course
shot
Sam
turret.
gave.
Oh come,
Yeah.
there. Oh
Coloring
come
book or
on.
something?
Okay.
Pencils. Look, something shiny.
You kids
I'd be
better
really
behave.
pissed. There
Don't
better
make me
be
turn
enough
this thing around.
turrets because seriously, I've
How long
got nothing.
before we're in radio
Oh,
range of
fuck
the
off,
gate?
Don. You'll get your turn having fun in a minute.
Maybe Hoffman will have a car.
Oh, yeah. And some cookies, too.
So they basically rigged up boom shots into turrets like the Lancers and other shit. Why couldn't we get these like in the fucking multiplayer? Like seriously, like
Not
this be
multiplayer,
the
but forward.
evolved version?
I would have liked those
Forward.
Anyone picking this up? This is truck 54. I need some help fast, or else I'm gonna be kissing my ass goodbye.
Ooh.
What, Dizzy?
Don't believe it.
Yep.
Dizzy, my man, Dizzy.
Marcus Riggs. Well, I'll be damned. Where are you, son?
We're on our way, Dizzy. See the extra barge coming in? That's us.
You checked the grub barge? Damn, Marcus, you got some hangers on you.
I didn't care anymore.
Okay.
Let's target him and see what happens.
Don, you on one so you're not bitching anymore? Yeah, I see that. Okay, everyone open fire.
I'm still gonna bitch, but you know what? At least I'm gonna be less bitchy.
Yes!
There you go.
You know
Fuck
me,
you.
I'm always gonna bitch, but I'll be less bitchy.
There we go. I got the points for that one because I hit the ammo.
Alright, let's get down there, Delta.
Oh god,
Holy
I just
concept
remembered
right
something
there.
that's coming up
There.
soon.
Get this thing as close to the ground as you can. We're going in.
Hey guys, does the term Lambit
Just in case
Berserker
it
ring
decides to
any
go exploring
horrible
without
sounding
us.
bells again to your heads?
No, it's soon. Not in this chapter yet, though. It's next one.
Soon.
Yep. Oh, there's Dizzy. It's been a while. It's been a while.
Hey, maybe he got some moonshine he wants to butter.
Well, looks like you learned plenty.
Ah, damn it. Okay. I was like hot shot or whoever. Wait, you Dragoon? Whoever was
Flanking
cold, you kind of fucked me a little bit cold because like I was trying to get me cover next to you, just lost the cover zone, so I couldn't get in the cover.
Thank you!
Heads
Yep.
up, we've got a reaver.
I haven't seen you guys in a long time.
Yep. Lancer. Hello, Lancer, my old friend.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Ow! Guys,
Oh,
where
shit.
let's go.
Grab him.
Seriously, I was trying to get out of the reason.
Revive me.
Oh, fuck, I forgot about that. Shit. There we go.
No, you're welcome. So I single-handedly killed the
Okay,
thing,
we're
basically.
clear.
I basically was going head to head with a,
Wasn't expecting to run into you boys again. Come on, help me move some of this ammo before the goddamn grubs come back. I found a stash back here before the grubs jump me. Fort needs every round we can get.
Dizzy, we've come to find Hoffman. Last time we saw you, you were both heading for Anvil Gate.
Yeah, he's got the fort fitted out real nice. I drive this route trading supplies with other camps. When I can slip past the goddamn grubs, that is.
But has he still got Prescott's data disk? You know, the one I could never crack? Because we really need it.
Sure he has. He's still cussing about it. Hey, you found the magic word to open it?
Long story. Let's grab the supplies and go.
And Don, you can stop bitching now because you can't. You can take a guess what's in here.
ooh,
Take a little, all the ammo in the fucking world.
Yep.
Serious stopping power.
Mine.
Grab whatever you can
Dibs.
carry and
Dibs.
let's get back to
All the
I
the
know.
dibs. Fuck
Yeah,
off.
why do you think I said you
stab
weren't probably
this
gonna
thing.
bitch anymore? You know what? I think I'll trade this
As I
in.
said, no, I always, but there's the
get
problem is I always am
your ass
bitchy.
away from
But
my
just depending
boom
on what
shot,
level of
you
bitchness,
little
I feel like
condescending. Thank you.
Give me this. Oh fuck, not a long shot. God damn it.
Honestly, I kind of wish there was a mortar in here. Wait, you're right. No, okay, so more. Okay, so one of you guys had to help me on. One of you guys actually has to help me now on like horde mode. Is I need to get mortar kills so I can get that mortar execution.
Yeah.
I
Come
am
on, let's move.
Well, I am outfitted for long
Okay.
shot,
Yes.
work bow, and one shot.
Oh fuck. Shit.
Damn it.
God damn it!
Dick. Taking bets. There we
Make
go.
your bets here, folks.
Shit. Did I kill it? Yes, I did. Shit. Get him up.
There's Garch. She's keeping it busy.
Howie. Don?
Shit. Oh.
Thanks, Dizzy.
Get up.
Happen again. Shit. Nice one. Very good. Shit, not again.
I'm going up the ladder, guys.
Okay, yeah, I'm already up
You
there.
know. Yeah, I got the hammer of dawn, dude. What else do you want from me?
Yeah, I know. What?
Give it to him, Don.
Boom, bitch. Get out my way.
Give it to him, Don.
Ow! One-shotting it.
Shit.
Hey, Reaver! I got a shot for you. Oh, I got a shot for you and your brother.
There you go. Focus fire on the other one.
Oh, damn it. It's already out, dude. It's already out.
Shit. Damn. This time I might actually end up on the bottom, too. Oh, fuck.
No, I'm on bottom, dude.
We cleared out
I know, I
the
said that, so
buzzards.
I might actually end up on
Okay,
bottom.
then let's bug out while we can. Get to the barge.
Oh, man. It's already out of ammo, and it makes me sad.
It's basically like it was in multiplayer, dude, because remember how in multiplayer it didn't have a lot of ammo either, because it was...
Oh, dude, it was the hammer
OP.
of dawn, like in
Yeah,
multiplayer.
no, it was an OP weapon.
In multiplayer, if you had a place to hide and you could use this thing, you were an instant team killer if the team was holding up
Come
together.
on, Baird, you're driving. You can't drive this. You admire the view and hope the nav program works.
I don't give a shit. It's good enough for me.
Alright, on your feet, soldier.
See? Told you.
I complete a chapter without going down but not out.
I'll be right back, guys.
Ah, crap. No, just...
Well, I
it's
gotta
gonna
take
be
a quick
like 1
pee
minute.
anyway, so it kind of works out.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna fall asleep sitting in my chair. That was rather funny that one time, Evan, huh? When we were playing Payday 2.
Ah, yeah.
I fell fucking asleep. I asked my dad to go buy Taco Bell. He goes, I got tacos. Wait, tacos? That was so funny. I told him, you guys weren't the only ones laughing.
I'm back.
Yeah, Dragoon's not, though.
I just said I had to take a quick piss break. I knew I wasn't gonna be gone long. Oh, that's better.
28 gigs.
I'm honestly
Okay.
wanting what game right now that I'm really bored with, but I also love playing it just because I'm waiting for new updates. Is Deep Rock. Like I want another update.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm surprised Angie's not on.
Yeah, same here.
Oh boy.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, just give me
Okay.
1 second to plug my phone up. Okay, good. There we go.
Okay.
Bullshit.
Oh, shit. Oh, crap. Everyone hop on something.
Whoa!
They're gonna bring us down!
They're gonna fucking try.
And what do we do, kids? We aim for their ammo!
Shit.
Hi there, asshole.
Shit! We got a barge right now!
There we
We
go.
got it, Dizzy. We got it. Loading my barge. Oh, I can't even hit the Reaver. Like, what's the point of the turret if I can't use it?
Oh, quit bitching.
There we go. No, I was saying I just couldn't hit the Reaver, dude, with the turret. I'm like, what's the point of the turret then?
Yeah.
That wasn't me complaining about not getting one. I was just like, I couldn't use it. And I was like, what's the point of the Reaver?
Incoming gas bags on the right! I mean, starboard side!
Great! Looks like the whole Grub Air Force is after us!
Fucking A.
The turrets and take them out!
Look out! Barge dead ahead!
Shit. Fucking A. This is the weirdest Air Force I've ever fucking seen. God damn, I can't aim
Air
for this thing
Force,
for shit.
yeah.
Pretty much. Fuck. There we go. Hey, you guys are all getting points. I'm at the bottom right now. I haven't did a single goddamn
I haven't
thing.
gotten anything except my one Reaver.
I haven't gotten
so-
anything, dude. I haven't gotten anything, dude.
Damn, that's a hell of a lot of firepower down there.
Oh,
Are we in
shit.
radio range yet? Better warn Hawk and the grubs are coming.
This is Marcus Phoenix to Anvil
Why don't we
Gang.
just shoot
Over.
down that down at them? We
Damn,
have
I'm
the
just hitting
artillery.
static.
Oh, fucking great. Not great.
Foolish boy.
Uh-oh.
Okay, that just ruined my day. Mira's back.
Must be turbocharged. She's too fast to target.
Shit.
I can't get a fix on her either.
You ever get the feeling she's just sticking with us?
No, Dom, this feels like a pretty sincere attempt on my life.
Fuck, fuck, fuck.
Ah,
Ah,
I can't see. Damn it.
is! Anvil Gate, maybe we can make it!
yeah. Oh, God.
Shit, the fix got us. Hang on, we're going down.
Oh, shit.
God damn.
Yeah, see, I was at the bottom that time. I didn't hit dick that time.
Bear, any way we can slow this thing down? It'll slow right down when we crash.
Well, we crashed. We good. Ow. I'm good.
Oh, man. Everybody in one piece?
I'll get back to you on that.
Hold your fire! Phoenix? What in the hell are you doing here?
There's a column of grubs heading this way, Colonel. Let's get out of here and I'll explain.
Okay, mount up! Get on the radio and warn the fort we got grubs inbound.
Two guys that really hated each other.
End up getting along and liking each other and respecting each other
Time,
more.
Phoenix. I'm guessing you didn't come all this way to inquire about my health.
No, we've got something for you. The key for Prescott's data disk.
Well, you must think it's pretty damn urgent. Hell, I'd almost given up on the damn thing.
Yeah. It contains information where Prescott's holding my father. Azura. Ring any bells with you?
What in the hell do you mean holding your father?
I got a message from him. He didn't get killed after all. Prescott had him kidnapped.
Dear God Almighty. And all that shit's on the disc? Well, where'd you get the key?
Prescott handed it to me today. Just before he died.
Oh, well, we are on Act 3, motherfuckers, and Who's ready to fight that berserker?
I have no
Hang on.
goddamn idea.
Well, I figure we
what
cut
to
it here
say.
because it's 55 minutes in.
And that's a first for.
Oh.
Oh, hang on.
Shit.
Just keep the cutscene playing. As soon as we get to gameplay, that's when we'll stop.
Grubs at the front gates. All personnel to stand to positions.
I'll fill you in after we dealt with our visitors.
Okay. Now we'll cut it. Okay, well, this is... Well, next episode, we're going to try to hold off this whole grub fleet from... well, this whole glub... it's not even a fleet, it's a fucking horde. And try to protect Anvil Gate. Or die trying, or if we could stop trying to kill each other.
No. There's no or. There's just we're gonna do it, but we're gonna die. Process.
Live, die, repeat. You know the whole shtick. Well, we'll see you guys on the next one.